Hello everyone, welcome to Design Minds channel. Today we are going to learn how to track changes in the Word document. Okay, so let's see what are all the benefits in the track changes. Okay, for example, you can find what are all the changes that you did in the respective Word document by enabling the track changes. Okay, for example, adding a new text and deleting a text and formatting change and everything. You can track what all the changes has been done by you or any other user in the respective document. Okay, so these are all the benefits that you can avail in the track changes. Okay, let me show you how to use the track changes in the Word document. Okay, the major benefit is you can easily identify if someone is editing the document and what are all the changes is being done by the other user, or if you want to notify the other user what are all the changes that you have done for the respective document. Okay, now this is the 86 page booklet and I'm going to show how to enable the track changes. Okay, all you have to do is go to the review. Here you see the track changes, click on it and add the track changes option. Let me explain the track changes options and usernames and all of the settings later on. Okay, so I'm simply enabling the track changes by clicking on it. After you select the track changes, you will see the button is enabled with the different colors. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some changes. For example, I'm deleting this and adding name something like RK. Immediately you will see what has been deleted and what is the new text has been added. Okay, I'm deleting the paragraph also, and also I'm highlighting the text, bold, underline, italic, and you can see what is the formatted changes has been carried out. Okay, now I'm going into the other pages, just changing the date 13th October 2020. Then I'm going to do some more changes, deleting here, making it bold, underline. I'm going to add some sample text. This is sample text to find the track changes easily. Dot. I'm going to add one more text in some of the pages. Okay, I'm going to delete this page. Okay, I'm going to okay, now I'm going to the top page. Let me add some more paragraph here. Track changes in the Word documents. Okay, now you can save this document and send it to the respective user, so the respective user can easily identify what all the track changes has been done by you. Okay, now let me show you how to change the colors. Like for example, this track change is showing the red color and this one is showing the black color. So you can find the settings and change the colors to identify easily. Okay, go to the track changes, you see the track change track option, just click on it. You see the underline option, you can change it to red color, and striked out option you can change to red color. So it depends whatever the way you wanted to identify the changes, you can simply choose the colors here. Okay, deletion, maybe I'm changing it to blue, then I'm changing it to red. If I click OK, then you will see it is changed to blue color. So this way you can identify the changes based on the colors. Okay, now the next option is change username. This is nothing but you can change the username here to see which user was changed this respective text. Okay, to identify that you can change the username to see. Okay, now next go to the balloons. Here it's interesting thing, you can show all revisions in inline, show revisions in balloon. Balloons means it will show you the changes in the right side panel like a balloon. Okay, let me show you all revisions inline. You see, inline meanings I have deleted this text design mains and added the RK word, which will show you instead of balloon option. Okay, let me show you the next one. Show only comments and formatting in balloons. You see, now it will show you the deletion option and the insertion option. Also, it is not showing the deletion and insertion option as a balloon option. It is showing only the formatting replacement. Okay, so my recommendation is to keep show revisions in balloon so that you can easily identify all the changes. Okay, now there is another option. You can see the original content and the edited content. Okay, final showing markup. This is the final showing markup option. Clicking on it, then I'll click on the final. You see, final option will show you the all updated content without showing any changes. The next option is original showing markup. Okay, now you see this is the original text and inserted text showing in the right side as a balloon text. This is also one of the way that you can identify easily from where to where the changes has been happened. Now let me show you the original. This is the original document that is been showing before the editing. Okay, my recommendation is to keep the final showing markup or original showing markup. So this way you can easily find what is the changes. Okay, now this is just a option that you can enable whether it will be showing as a balloon option, as a comment and everything. Okay, so and this is the review panel. You can review each and every changes in the vertical option or in the horizontal option. Okay, and the last step you have to do is, once you decided this changes corrected by other user is correct, you have to accept this track changes, otherwise these changes will not save. Okay, what do you mean by accept the track changes? Okay, you see here accept and reject. Okay, for example, I changed the design mains text and added RK. If you think it is right, you have to click on accept and move next, which means this RK text will be permanently saved and it will be move on to the next changes. Okay, if you don't want to accept these changes, go to the reject and move to the next changes. Okay, this is one of the way that you can accept and reject the changes one by one. Or what you can do is simply go to the next changes and verify the changes it is correct. Go to the next one, next one, next one, just next one, check the new addition, next one. You see automatically is going to the next page wherever it is added. Next, 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 and see. So you can verify every changes in the document at one shot. Okay, then all the changes has been completed. So once you verified all the changes, you think if everything is correct, all you have to do is click accept. You can click accept all changes in the document. So this way you don't have to click on one by one and verify the changes. Okay, once you accept all the changes and you don't want to track the changes further by anyone, if anyone changed or this document is finalized, all you can do is simply switch off the track changes so that if you add anything else it will not be tracked. Okay, so that is all, very simple. All you have to play with the track changes is switch on the track changes and do the changes, and you can manipulate and by changing the option to see the track changes easily. Okay, thank you for watching video. Please like and share my videos if you like it, which will motivate me to create more video, and of course subscribe my channel to see more video. Thank you so much. If any clarification, please feel free to reach me throughout email or comment for this video.